back, ladies and gentlemen, to World Copper's channel, focused on the development of world-class copper assets in Chile. Joining us, as always, we have the pleasure of the Chief Executive Officer, Nolan Peterson. Welcome back, sir.
Thank you. Great to be back, as always.
Yeah, always a pleasure to discuss in these fascinating times between earnings, commodity prices, inflation. But I want to dive down into what the heck's going on with your projects here, because World Copper signs a letter of intent with DESALA for development of Escalones, a seawater supply alternative, to provide updates on the progress surrounding your drilling campaign. What does this mean? Give us some insight here.
Yeah, so it was really a two-part news release. The first one was, as you mentioned, the signing of the letter of intent with DESALA. And really, to put it quite simply, in the mining space, we need water. If you don't have water, you don't have a mine. Chile is a very dry country in the best of times. Last few years, it's become, water supplies have become under pressure. The mining industry itself has become under pressure for its usage of that water, especially continental water that comes from inland sources that have become threatened. So understanding the current conditions, understanding where it could potentially be in the future, we have to start thinking very consciously of our impact, where we're going to get our water from. So we were very proactive. We were approached by this company called DESALA, which is exploring or building a pipeline from the coast to bring seawater close to where we are going to be operating. And we just said, you know what? Let's sign an agreement with these guys. Let's see where it plays out as an alternative source from, using continental water. Very happy with the progress that we've made. We're ahead of the curve on answering our water question, and it creates a lot of opportunities for further enhancements of the deal and our ability to share water with communities as well.
It sounds like you're really mitigating some of that future risk. So I'm sure a lot of people will be glad to hear that as well. But your guys are upscaling a little bit too. Your shares are now trading on the OTCQX. You want to offer a little bit of insight there?
Yeah, so the in the US, when you're a smaller company like ourselves, you trade on the OTC or over-the-counter markets. We were previously on the OTCQB, which I think is the intermediate, medium level of market. The QX is the best market for the OTC. It's a very big step up. It expands our shareholder base, the potential investors brokers can access for their clients our shares now, because we bring that surety of level of corporate governance and rigor and financial statement analysis that comes with being on the QX. So very happy. It's not like listing on the NYSE or the NASDAQ or anything of that nature just yet, but that is, of course, something that we aspire to as well. And the QX is a step along the path to that.
Just something to look forward to. But on that note, Nolan, I appreciate these brief insights, and I want to pass the question off to the viewers. We'd love to know what you guys think about all of this in that comment section below. Consider subscribing, because as news comes down the wire, we'll always continue to update you here. But on that note, stay cool, stay awesome, and as always, I look forward to catching you in the next one.